What's up, everyone? Thank you for watching. I want to start this video off first by giving Carlos Ochoa a shout out for making this super dope 3G shirt right here. As you can see, front end, Honda on the sleeve, as well as the coupe version rear end. You can also do the sedan rear end, as well as the hatchback rear end, as well as the 86, 87 front bumper look and the 80, 89 facelift. So thanks a lot, Carlos. These shirts came out super dope. If you guys want them, hit them up on 3Gs. So yeah, on the next thing, bad news. So last Friday, as I'm leaving work to go home, I decided to do a quick first to third gear pull, and the car actually ran pretty great, but I blew the head gasket. So yeah, that sucks. So the coupe is going to be out for a little while. It's an easy fix. I got the funds to do so, but a cool opportunity has popped up and I don't want to miss out on it. Let's just say once I nail this in, which I'll do a video and show you what the new thing is, I'll be able to show you guys the hatchback and what my plans are for the hatchback, which I have not shown in video yet. But we'll get to that. Sure, you guys will dig it. So yeah, it's just an update. Blew the head gasket. It sucks, but hey, 310,000 miles. What do you expect? So honestly, now would be a good opportunity. I'm gonna post links in the bottom of the description. While I'm doing the head gasket, I might as well do the ARP head studs, which, if you guys didn't know, happens to be NA Mazda Miata head studs. Fit in this head perfectly. I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys, as well as the part number of what works. So yeah, as far as what head gasket I'm gonna use, I'm not gonna go anything too crazy. I'm pretty sure I read somewhere that Cometic actually does make a head gasket for the A20, but you have to contact them for them to make it. There's some other, I believe there's like some metal ones out there. They use copper head gaskets, or anyway, I don't know what it was, but I'm not going to use that. I'm honestly just going to stick with just Felpro. It works. People that have used it have zero problems. Boosted, they've had zero problems with Felpro. Yeah, I'm not looking to do anything too fancy with the head gasket. As I said, this exact A20 motor isn't going to be the one I'm going to be building crazy wise. I got a whole nother block out of the hatchback right now, and a total of 3 heads. One that's already has a port job, as well as some other stuff done to it, which I haven't shown yet, but that's going to be the main A20 engine build. So yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll show you what new car I'm going to be picking up. And yeah, so while this car is out of commission, I'm going to try to catch up on some videos on some how-tos, as well as some introduction videos of the coupe, which I haven't really formally done yet. But I'm going to try to start off doing the OBD0 to OBD1 conversion. Now that the car is pretty much, I mean, it runs but inoperable, I'll just leave it at that. I don't mind taking some stuff off to show you guys, you know, all the little wiring and stuff like that. It's really not that hard. If you guys have the skills, you guys could be able to do it. It's just sourcing out the parts, like mostly the distributor plate and distributor itself. That's kind of the most challenging part. Everything else is just pretty much plug and play. And I said, I'll go through steps with that. You know, if you guys know people that can help you out, it's zero problem. If not, I'll point you in the right direction to people that can help you guys out in the links when I make that video. I also do an introduction to this, and there's a couple other things I was just thinking about at work today that I can talk about, especially for all you third generation Accord owners and even some of you Prelude owners. There's a lot in this car that I know, just from what I've shown, doesn't really do justice of like what's on it and what I've done to it and what's even capable of being done to it. So I know like the aftermarket scene for this specific vehicle never was really as crazy as like the Civics or any other well-known Honda models. So, but yeah, with enough research and enough measurements and stuff like that, anything's possible. So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in on Asian Garage. I'll catch you in the next one.